Hello everyone and welcome back. This is going to be a supplementary video where I show you how I did the little CSS debug trick in one of the videos in Module 12. Now I did not create this. This is a really cool thing that was made by Zedek Michaels Guttieri. I'm sure I butchered that pronunciation, but he is a programmer. He does an excellent job in a lot of things. So this is one of the things that he created, and I found it, and I absolutely love it. What it does is it allows you to click on this, and it simply makes it so that your CSS is much easier to debug because it puts an outline on everything. It changes the colors so that you can see easily where all of the edges of your CSS are and things like that. Even when you mouse over stuff, things that show up are now have all that little highlighting things on there. So it just makes your life easier, and you can click it on and off with the click of a button. All you have to do is go here, https://zadek.github.io/debug.css, and take this little link right here, and just drag it into your bookmarks bar like that. Boom. Now when you click it, it does the thing. If you're interested to actually see it, you can right-click on it, hit Properties, and you can see here is all of the code that does this. So basically just run some JavaScript when you click on it. But it's super useful. I love it. It's amazing. And if you love it too, check him out. He does a great job. As always, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help. Thanks.